Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Cat scared me. Today I've got a little bit of a Primark haul, and when I say a little bit, I mean a lot. I spent £162 in Primark, but Bandit, get out of the bag. But this is Mika and Aries full summer wardrobe for all of this summer, and then potentially some of next summer as well. So, and I got a few bits, and I got a few bits for Fox as well. So it was a lot all in one go, but they've both grown so much that I tried on some of they went to try on some summer dresses they had the other day, and they were just like full bums out. Shorts were too short, leggings were too short, everything was just too small. So we've donated loads to charity, and then we went out. And I know Primark is shit because it is fast fashion and it's fucking awful, but they grow so bloody quickly, it's ridiculous. I have got some more stuff from H&M, that's another video, but it's so much more expensive. It's really difficult when you've got 3 kids. So I am sorry that it is Primark, but it is, so that's life. So the first thing I got is this lovely beach bag, which I thought was gorgeous. This is like my favourite summer colour, like despite the fact that I only generally wear black, that's like my favourite summer colour. So I'm going to try and hold things up for you, and I'll sort of tell you who's picked them. So this is Aries. She's got a little summery dress. How much is this? £2.80. £2.80. So that's Aries. This whole section is Aries actually. A little crop top with a little shell on it. A little flowery dress. Aria is so skinny. Aria is 6 and she's such a little skinny mini, and when she has little shoulder straps, they just fall off and then her dress falls down. She's like, oh no, my boobies have fell out. So she wanted dresses that couldn't fall off her shoulders. That was her sort of brief when we went. I took them with me so they could pick what they wanted. Who's this coming up now? One of them. It's Squeaky Leaks! I'm just showing everybody your clothes that we got. Yeah. So these are Aries little shorts. We had to go for age 4 to 5, despite the fact Aria is 7 in October. We had to go for age 4 to 5 just because she is so tiny, everything just falls down. She got this little set. Again, we had to get this in 4 to 5. Really cute little skirt, or tutu as she calls it. A little sort of double layer. And then a little vest. And then whose are these? These are Squeaks. I'm going to give you your stuff. Little pink shorts. Turn my light on for me please, babe. Okay. Go that way. Try not to flash your mini at everybody. I'm going to put yours there. And there's another cat here now, just to make it even more chaotic. My room is an absolute pigsty because we're having a sort out, and I thought, you know what, rather than tidy up and then film a video, I thought I'll bring all this crap in, film in amongst all the crap that's already here. Why not? We got Foxy this. Foxy didn't need very much, but I just wanted to get him a couple of little bits. So I got him this really cute t-shirt. It's got like little doodles on it, so it's got like a whale, and don't you dare press that, a whale, a palm tree, a turtle. You can take it downstairs. And this was like £1.
Couple it for Ari. Yeah,
that was £1.30 for Foxy. I got these for Foxy too, a packet of vests. These are like the short sleeve ones, just because he doesn't always wear vests anymore. He normally wears the shorts and t-shirt, but his nappies fall down because he weeds so much. So I got vests that can hold his nappy in place. Just little summery ones, really cute patterns for my Foxy man. And then Mika chose these really light, sort of paper bag-esque at the top, little shorts. She picked this one, which I loved. How much was that? I don't know how much that one was. That one's not got a price on it. With a little moon and the sun and stars and all that. That's really cute. She got some little frilly hemmed shorts. What my other thing is I was going to show you. These are Squeaks as well. Mika got more stuff from Primark. Now I got more stuff from H&M just because I let them pick what they wanted. I literally just said, get what you want, and this is your summer clothes. Mika got this little romper, which I thought was lovely. I really like that. A little cotton romper. This is my favourite thing she got. Look at this little crop top. Like, it's so freaking cute. Like, so cute. And it's got like a little ruchy bit around the bottom. And these, I bought myself some flares recently, and they're like a khaki green. Where are they? I don't know where they are. I was wearing them this morning, but I don't know where. I've took them off. But there was some kids flares, and they're the same colour. So she was like, I'm going to be like you, and she chose them. She's so tall now, it's ridiculous. And they're £6. So that is that the end of that bag? That is the end of that bag. And then the main bag. Ridiculous. I bought myself a few bits, but I haven't tried anything on, so I've got to try everything on to see if it fits. And if it doesn't fit, I'll just take it back. So I got these, they're like little shorts, but then the front is a skirt, so it's like a skort. I got them in a size 14, they were £8. Really cute. I got some black shorts, just little black shorts. I got myself a dress, and I don't ever wear dresses, and I went a size bigger than what I want because I want it to be baggy to have on the beach. So I went for a 16. I'm hoping it'll be alright, just a really nice light cover up kind of thing. And then I just got a black top, obviously, because I can't not get a black top. It's a really nice long one with like the curved hem. It just says Brooklyn on the front. Again, just to cover up, went for a size bigger. Aria got the best sunglasses in the world. Are you kidding me? They didn't have any in adults, otherwise I'd have had some of them because those are amazing. This is my favourite thing Aria chose. A really cute, ruffly, little light dress. Just super cute. I thought that was lush. They both picked some socks. They're like sports socks, but they like to wear knee socks, and only at the moment they just have school knee socks, so they end up wearing their school socks like on the weekends. So they got some of these each, they're exactly the same, but those are Aria's, and Mika's are in it somewhere. Ari picked this little one, Radiate Positivity, a little blue dress. Mika got some little skirts, a tie-dye one and a grey one. And then Aria got the same, but again we had to go really small for Ari. We got 4 to 5 for her, and they were still a little bit big, but I didn't want to go 3 to 4 because that's just ridiculous. Mika got the same socks. I got myself a bucket hat for holiday. Looked like an absolute cant in it, but I don't care. Mika got this little black dress because she's secretly a goth as well. Los Angeles, just a little black dress. Got Foxy this little set. Super cute. How much was that? It was £4, just a little vest and some shorts that look like they would fit Aria. Where's his stuff there? Both girls got some little cropped leggings. I went for the same. So, Mika's and then Aria's. Really nice colours. I love the lilac and the orange. They're just awesome colours for the summer. I got some little workout shorts. I'm just going to wear them under dresses.
Set the game up.
Awesome. They're £4. Let Mummy do this and then we'll play.
Okay, we're setting up.
I got myself a new set. Really love it. Again, mint green. I love it. Just like my nails. I had my nails done the other day. I went for claws because I like to have claws. But I went pastel colours, which is just not me, but I absolutely freaking love them. And that is like this. So it does have a thong though, which I don't tend to wear, but I really liked it. It's so soft. And I just thought that was a really cute set. So we'll see. Got myself some sunnies, which I thought were cute. I just thought they were really nice. Can't see in them though because I don't got my fucking prescription in, but I'm trying to get contact lenses anyway. I got some flip-flops, just cute little gingham pink floppity flaps. And then the rest is just hair bobbles that the girls have chosen. So we have some scrunchies, some fluffy scrunchies, and then just some bobbles for when they have pigtails. That was my fucking ridiculous Primark haul. Yeah, I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think. And I'm going to go and film H&M one because there's a bag of H&M stuff there. But yeah, thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.